The Marie Curie Actions program provides a competitive opportunity for the world's best minds. They push the limits of science through collaborative, pan-European research projects. This short video will provide some of the highlights for the INTERAQCT Marie Curie Initial Training Network. The INTERAQCT acronym stands for International Network for the Training of Early-Stage Researchers on Advanced Quality Control by Computed Tomography.
Hello, my name is Massimiliano Ferrucci, and I'm an early-stage researcher at the National Physical Laboratory in the United Kingdom, and I'm also a PhD student at KU Leuven in Belgium through the Marie Curie INTERAQCT project. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered if you can look inside an object without having to open it? Let's take this Kinder Egg for example. Wouldn't it be nice if we could know what toy is inside before we actually bought the egg? Well, this is possible with X-ray computed tomography, or more simply, CT.
Let's take a look at how CT works. We place our object inside of the CT machine. We acquire several hundreds or thousands of X-ray images of the object as it rotates on a stage. Then, a mathematical algorithm is applied to the set of X-ray images to reconstruct the object in 3 dimensions. Because X-rays can penetrate through material, both inner and outer features are visible in the reconstruction of the object. Now let's find out what is inside the Kinder Egg. Using dedicated analysis software, we can virtually cut through the reconstructed egg and see what's inside. Well, it looks like it's a car. If we wanted to, we can also make measurements on the reconstructed data. For example, we can measure the thickness of the chocolate or the diameter of the wheels. If a car isn't what you wanted, you can try to bring the egg back to the store for a refund or an exchange.
Now that's what I call product transparency. Nah, but seriously, these machines can cost several hundreds of thousands of euros, and it might be a bit of an expensive investment just to know what's inside of a Kinder Egg. However, there are several industries for which X-ray computed tomography is critical. For example, quality control of internal features in 3D printed parts.
Crack and defect analysis of structural concrete, for example in aging nuclear power plants. And even for determining the ratio of flesh, fat, and bone in pigs for the food industry.
Computed tomography is a very important tool, and in some cases, for example, inspection of very small features, CT technology is not mature enough to provide the much-needed accuracy.
The INTERAQCT project seeks to bridge this gap by bringing together European research institutes, private industry, and 15 early-stage researchers from all over the world to accelerate the application of X-ray computed tomography to the quality control of industrial products. While projects funded by the Marie Curie program give you the opportunity to perform leading-edge research, they also allow the researchers to grow, both in a professional and a personal capacity.
The Marie Curie program provides us the opportunity to meet the industrial partners and the other fellows at regular intervals, which helps us to build the network and maintain the relationships.
Every couple of months we have the chance to get together and share experiences.
In addition to being employed by a research institute or private industry, early-stage researchers are also encouraged to be enrolled as PhD students.
I'm recruited by a company and at the same time I'm enrolled as a PhD student. Thanks to that, I can approach my research from 2 very different perspectives.
Through the Marie Curie program, researchers enjoy a healthy balance of work and personal life.
We're not just lab rats, we do real research in top facilities and still enjoy all the benefits of living in Europe.
One important aspect of this program is cultural exchange and the ability to immerse oneself into a new way of life.
At the beginning, when I moved in Denmark, I had the difficulties in fitting inside a new society with a culture far away from mine. But then I realized by learning a new language, my life could improve, and then I started.
Last but not least, working together in the Marie Curie program helps to build lasting friendship among researchers.